Hey guys, so I just wanted to review some of the things that you're supposed to do in terms of math for the Tinkercad project, okay, for the United Nations project. So let's go ahead, let's create a new design. Okie dokie, there are four shapes that you need to have for the project. You need a rectangular prism, so we're going to have a box. You need a sphere, well that's right there. You need a cylinder, that's right there. And you need a cone over there. How you choose to incorporate these shapes into your design is entirely your choice. But now I'm going to show you how to do the measurements for it. For the rectangular prism, now obviously let's assume that I've incorporated it into my design already, but let's say it has these measurements. Notice, all you have to do is click or hover over the corners and you receive the measurements right away. So this right here, I can tell it's 30 by 20, it's 30 width, 20 length, and the height is going to be 10, yeah? So what you would do is, you would go ahead and to your volume of figures worksheet, which is what you're going to have to turn in afterward, you are going to go ahead and write the formula down. Volume equals length times width times height. Then you're going to write the next step in the formula. Volume equals, let's review those measurements again. This was 30 by 20, okay, so volume equals 30 by 20, and at a height of 10, all right, and then you can simplify at the end. Volume equals 3 times 2 times 1 is 6 with 3 zeros. Volume equals 600. Done. Make sense? For the sphere, you got to be careful. The sphere, remember, this measurement that you have here is the diameter, not the radius. If I look for the formula for volume of a sphere, so if I look for volume of a sphere, here it is. So let's say I copy that and I go back here and I'm going to paste it in, right? Well, it's not perfect, but I'm sure you guys will improvise. Here, how about this? Let's just write volume equals 4 over 3. So that's going to be 4 over 3 times pi. Instead of pi, I'm going to write an n, or you know what? I can copy and paste from over here. Pi r to the third power. Yeah? Okay, so let's write something like that. Something that I can understand. Then, remember, here, this sphere that I just designed on Tinkercad, it has a diameter of 20. If the diameter is 20, I want my radius to be 10. All right, so my radius is going to be 10. So let's rewrite it. Volume equals 4 over 3 times pi. And then instead of r, you're going to write 10 to the third power. Yeah? And then you keep on solving. Volume equals 4 over 3 times 3.14 times, and then 10 to the third power is going to be 10 times 10 times 10. So that's going to be 1,000. And you can carry on like this, and you can finish and multiply. Yeah? What I'm trying to teach you how to do in this video is two things. Number one, how to find the measurements of these shapes. All you have to do is click. Look, here the height is 20. The width is 20, the length is 20. This cone, let's say I made it bigger. Okay, so the height is 46, the length is 20, and the width is 20. Make sense? That's how you find the measurements on Tinkercad. Now what I need you to do here, when you are proving to me that you can calculate the volume of these four figures that you used, what I need you to do is you start with a formula and you solve it step by step. Do not just give me volume equals a number. If you give me that, I will not accept it. That will be wrong. I want you to work through it. Okay? That's basically it.